Alright, we're at Animal Kingdom today and we're just doing the Dino Land and then Asia, and then we're ending on the Navi River journey in Pandora, and then we're heading back to the resort, and then tomorrow we're going to be back here to do Africa and then Flight of Passage in Pandora. So it should be a fun day. We all like Animal Kingdom. Unfortunately, there's not as much for this little guy to do here though. So, but we've never actually walked the trails in Asia to look at the animals, so hopefully we'll get to do some of that today. Nice weather again. The high is going to be in the mid to upper 70s, so, and it is pretty sunny out. So it'll get a little warm for us, but it's still way better than it normally is here. The girls are super scared to go on it. JB seems a little scared too to go on it, which is hilarious. Alright. We'll see what they say when they get off of it. It was fun, Amara? Yeah. Smiley hated it though, huh?
That's fun. There's big dinosaurs.
Yep. Alright, let's go do the fun. Alright, the girls are on the, what is that ride called? The dinosaur whirl thing. And then Diesel and I and JB are gonna do this one. Because Diesel likes these rides. Triceratops spin. Alright, the girls are over here. They love this ride. It's the Primeval Whirl. The wait time is only 10 minutes. Normally there's kind of a shorter wait, so we send them on it by themselves and we just wait for them to get off. I can't do all that spinning action, so, but they love it. Alright, Samaya's doing the Expedition Everest by herself, and we're just waiting for her to get off the ride, and then we're gonna do Kali River Rapids. It's pretty busy here today, which I guess Animal Kingdom, what I've read, is pretty busy all the time now since Pandora opened. Watching the monkeys go down. Please look at that. There he goes. There he goes. Oh man, look at him. Look at him. Diesel's having fun with his bubble blower. That's how you keep them entertained at Disney. You buy them their bubble blowers that are constant bubbles. One of our favorite things. Pandora. That's crazy. Pretty amazing. Alright, and then we're going on this one right here, Navi River. To the Beach Club Villa's little pool here. It's nice and quiet. So we're just gonna swim a little bit before dinner. He's just ready to get in. Alright, we came back to Pandora. It's supposed to be a thunderstorm coming in though soon, so there's a mass exodus out of Animal Kingdom that we're working against. But we have our fast pass for Flight of Passage, which is very hard to come by, so we definitely had to come and use it. Alright, so they're getting in line for Flight of Passage. Can't really see, it's so dark underneath here. Let's see if my camera will just, but we're underneath the floating rock here, which is cool. And of course this whole area, Avatar, is ridiculously crowded. It is pretty. Hopefully it doesn't rain later tonight. We can come back to see it at nighttime. But yeah, here's the crowd. You see this? I don't even know if it really captures on camera very much, but it's a little busy. Mr. Diesel's asleep. Flight of Passage, Samaya and Amara.
It really felt like the jungle that you were really there.
Okay, so they have the smells in there?
Awesome, because I really like drops and it felt like real drops.
Like you were really flying?
There's water splashing in our faces and wind.
Cool, so it's kind of more like a 4D type thing.
One thing I did like is where a giant whale came up and it looked like it was going to eat us.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
All right, touch in there. Put your hand in the middle. Yep, in the middle. See if it changed color.
Look, she's like, what? It's changing color. It's like, Mom, you gotta hurry up.
All right, we're going to Africa.
You guys at the end of your rope when you're walking.
Alright, we came to our favorite show, the Lion King show. After Lion King, we came over to the safari ride, which we had a fast pass for, so we're all gonna go on that now. Miss Amara here.
Yes.
Oh yeah, and yes, they did get their Banshees. They're excited to open them once we get to the hotel. Yay!
Mine's
A blue one. What color was yours?
I say pink.
It's pink. A purple pink.
Pink.
Pink, pink, pink. I got it. Light up the tree of light. We came to the Rivers of Light. First time we've ever seen it.